After the Jeff Beck challenge, I got a lot of questions on how to set up your tremolo. So I wanted to demystify that a little bit. The best technique I've seen comes from Fender. If you have a modern two-post bridge like this, you're good to move on to the next step. If you have an older vintage style, like this one, that's held in place with 6 screws, you want to take those inner 4 screws and loosen them up a little. You want the bulk of the work to be done by the outer 2 screws. Then you have to decide how much pitch rise do you want. Most guitars are like a quarter or a half a step. Figure out you want a half step. That one's set up for a step and a half for the Jeff Beck challenge. Some people like it resting flat on the body because it gives it a really resonant sound, and they only want to do dive bombs. Whatever you want to do, whatever works for your playing, however much you want, figure out how high that bridge has to be, and then stick some picks or some wood, whatever you have laying around, as a spacer to hold that bridge in place. Then tune your guitar. Pull out the spacer, flip your guitar over, tune it again, but not with your tuning pegs. Take a screwdriver and adjust the spring tension in the back to get your guitar in tune. That's it, pretty simple. When somebody asked Jeff Beck how he kept his tremolo in tune, he said, "What makes you think it stays in tune?" So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next episode.